Hi guys, this is a girl Zam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful, stunning, trending TikTok Koroba braids. Yes, they're called Koroba braids. So I was like, let me just give it a try. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section. Let's see how did I do it, ne? So yeah, just want to say to all those who are new, welcome to the family, welcome to my channel. I hope guys you stay, I hope you enjoy like my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, something good, something nice, guys, ne? And to all my returning subscribers, my day one guys, I thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I'm so grateful, guys, for your support, for showing your girls some love. It means a lot to me. Continue watching and enjoying my videos, guys. I really appreciate. So yeah, let's get to the video. So I parted my hair into 16 parts in all, and then as you can see when I was starting my video, there's little white there. That little white, the one that I highlighted my hairstyle, is not Brazilian wool. That one is a normal braid I used to highlight my hairstyle. And then it's up to you to do the way I did, or you can do it in your own way that you want, in your own method that you like, because you can do this hairstyle in different ways. Because I saw another one is like they plaited like lines, like cornrows, and then they put these swirls at the end. So it's up to you how you do it, or you do singles the way I did, or you can do as many singles you want. It's up to you, or you can do few singles the way I did. It's up to you. So yeah, guys, let's get to the video. Let me not talk too much so that you will see what I was trying to do here. So as you can see here, I took my braid, then I cut it, and then I took my lighter and then I bend it so that it won't run, ne? Yes, then after that I started to do the swirls at the front, and then at my right hand side I was rolling it to the left hand side. Then when I was doing the left hand side, I was rolling it to the right hand side so that they will face each other. So please just take a look and see what I did, and I'm sure you see and understand what I was trying to do here. So I started my swirls at the front, going down 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 until I finished. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys.